Hello everyone, welcome to day 65 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the bobble stitch. Yes, it does look like a popcorn stitch, but it's not popcorn stitch, this one is slightly different. So to start off, we are again going to crochet a foundation single crochet row of odd numbers. If you're going to go for a chain stitch and then a row of single crochet, you can go for an even number because chain 1 will be using it for the first single crochet. The second row, it starts off with a single crochet. So you chain 1 and turn your work, and into the very first stitch, I'm making 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, we'll be making 5 incomplete double crochet stitches. Okay. You can choose to do 7 or 3 depending on the texture that you want. Okay. So now you're going to close up all these stitches together and then make 1 single crochet onto the very next chain. So this single crochet is what is going to create the bobble stitch. Otherwise, it's very similar to the incomplete double crochet stitch. Now again, in the next stitch, we are going to make another bobble stitch, that is 5 incomplete double crochets together. And then we are going to make 1 single crochet. You can continue this till you reach the end of the work, and your last stitch should be a single crochet stitch. Okay, so I'm at the last bobble stitch here. And then you end your work with a single crochet stitch. Okay, so that completes the first row of bobble stitches. Now for the next row, we are going to again make a row of single crochet stitches. So this is very important for you to get the work straight. So onto the single crochet, we'll be making 1 single crochet. Then you see the V-stitch right here. Slightly turn your work and spot the V-stitch. So this space you see here is not your V-stitch. Slightly turn your work and you'll spot the V-stitch, which is right here. Onto this, you'll have to make the next single crochet. Again, into the next one. The single crochet in between 2 stitches will be easier to spot. Make sure you spot the right V and make the single crochet stitches. Okay, And now the next row again you can repeat the bobble stitch. So do try this out, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.